Hello guys, this is Mohammad Rashid and today we are going to learn that how we can upload program with Higher Firmware CCW software through USB cable, and also we can learn the communication setup if the PLC not shown on Rs Linx Classic. So first open the Rs Linx communication software and connect the printer cable from your PC to PLC. After the connection done, you can see the driver selected automatically on configure driver box. Okay, now we can see the issue. In place of PLC, it's showing yellow question mark. It's not uncommon for new product to show up in Rs Linx RSWho as yellow question mark. And in most cases, to connect to the device in question, you will need to install the appropriate EDS file. The first is to right click on the device in question to see if it has its EDS file embedded and ready to be uploaded. If it does, you will see the below option to upload EDS file from the device, which you will want to select and do same as we install any software. Now in Rs Linx, you should see the yellow question mark replaced with a picture of the device. Now I am going to open CCW to upload the program from older firmware PLC version software. Create a new project and give name and then click on create. Now select your PC from add device screen. After adding the PLC, we will get the version option also. Then click on add to project. Now I am going to upload the program from older PLC. After click on upload, we will get the upload fail screen, and the reason is firmware different. The project is created in PLC is from CCW version 9 and I am trying to upload the program from CCW version 13. Now we have two options. To take upload the program from PLC, option A is update firmware and download current project, and option B is we have to change the version at the time of adding PLC in project, and I will show you the second option. So cancel the project and do same as we have done before. But before adding the PLC in project, don't forget to change the version. Okay, now again I will try to upload the program from PLC. So click on communication properties and then select PLC and click OK to upload the program. Now you can see we are getting the option to upload the program. Then click on upload with project values. Now you can see in the program I have add counter, inductive sensor, input and solenoid in the project. I will show you in the next video how we will use timer counter in CCW software. I hope you learn something from my video. please like, share and subscribe the channel if you like my work and get some help during programming from my video.